Good morning, traders and investors. If you're wondering whether you can trade stocks today, Monday, January 19th, 2026, we have important information for you. Today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, a federal holiday in the United States, and this has significant implications for financial markets. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about market closures on MLK Day, what this means for your trading activities, and what you can expect when markets reopen. Let's start with the basics. On Martin Luther King Jr. Day, the major U.S. stock exchanges are completely closed for trading. This includes the New York Stock Exchange, the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization, is closed for the entire day. No opening bell, no trading sessions, and no closing bell. NASDAQ, the second largest exchange and home to many tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, is also closed for the full day. But it's not just stocks. The bond market is taking the day off as well. The U.S. bond market, including Treasury bonds and corporate bonds, will not be trading today. This means fixed income investors also have a quiet day ahead. MLK Day is one of the 10 days each year when the stock market closes in observance of federal holidays. These closures are scheduled well in advance, so traders and investors can plan accordingly. You might wonder why the financial markets close for this particular holiday. Martin Luther King Jr. Day honors the civil rights leader who championed equality, justice, and peaceful protest in America. Signed into law in 1983 and first observed as a federal holiday in 1986, it's celebrated on the third Monday of January each year, close to Dr. King's birthday on January 15th. When a federal holiday is observed, not only do government offices close, but major financial institutions follow suit. The stock exchanges align their holiday schedules with federal holidays to ensure consistency across the financial system. This also gives market participants, from traders to clearinghouses to back-office staff, a well-deserved break. The practice of closing markets on holidays dates back over a century and serves multiple purposes. It provides rest for market professionals, allows for system maintenance, and acknowledges important national observances. So what exactly does this market closure mean for you as an investor or trader? No regular trading. You cannot buy or sell stocks on the NYSE or Nasdaq during normal market hours because there are no market hours today. Your online brokerage platform may be accessible, but you won't be able to execute trades. No pre-market or after-hours trading. Typically, traders can execute orders in pre-market sessions starting around 4 a.m. Eastern Time, and after-hours trading runs until 8 p.m. Eastern Time. On MLK Day, these extended trading sessions are also unavailable. No market data updates, real-time stock quotes, price movements, and trading volumes won't be updated because there's no trading activity. If you check your portfolio, you'll see prices from Friday's close bond trading. As mentioned, the bond market is closed too, so if you trade Treasury bonds, municipal bonds, or corporate bonds, you'll need to wait until tomorrow. Options and futures. Most options and futures markets tied to U.S. equities are also closed, though some international markets may still operate. Just because the markets are closed doesn't mean you can't be productive as an investor. Here are some activities you can engage in today. Research and analysis. Use this downtime to research companies you're interested in, read annual reports, analyze financial statements, and study market trends. Some of the best investment decisions come from thorough research during quiet times. Portfolio review. Take a comprehensive look at your portfolio allocation. Are you properly diversified? Do your investments still align with your financial goals? This is a perfect day for a portfolio health check. Educational content. Watch educational videos like this one, read investment books, take online courses, or listen to financial podcasts to improve your trading and investing knowledge. Planning and strategy. Develop or refine your trading strategies, create watch lists, set up alerts for when markets reopen, and plan your next moves based on recent market trends. International markets. While U.S. markets are closed, many international markets are open and trading. If you have exposure to global markets, you can monitor those activities. The good news for eager traders is that the wait isn't long. Markets will reopen tomorrow, Tuesday, January 20th, 2026, at their regular time. Regular trading hours. The NYSE and Nasdaq will resume normal operations with the opening bell at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and will close at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Extended hours. Pre-market trading will resume around 4 a.m. Eastern Time, and after-hours trading will be available after the 4 p.m. close. Be prepared for potentially higher trading volumes on Tuesday morning as traders react to any news that emerged over the long weekend and position themselves for the week ahead. Sometimes, the first trading day after a holiday can show increased volatility. Let's take a brief look at the history of market holidays in the United States. The New York Stock Exchange has been observing holidays since its early days in the late 1700s and early 1800s. Though the specific holidays have evolved over time. In the early years, markets closed for numerous holidays, including Washington's birthday, Columbus Day, and even Election Day. Over time, the number of closures has been reduced to focus on the most significant federal holidays. Martin Luther King Jr. Day was added to the NYSE holiday calendar in 1998, more than a decade after it became a federal holiday. The decision reflected the growing recognition of Dr. King's contributions and the importance of the civil rights movement in American history. Today, the NYSE observes 10 holidays per year: New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, President's Day, Good Friday, Memorial Day, Juneteenth, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas Day. When a holiday falls on a weekend, markets typically close on the nearest weekday, though specific rules apply to each holiday. It's important to remember that while U.S. markets are closed today, the global financial system continues to operate. Stock exchanges around the world maintain their own holiday schedules based on their respective countries' holidays and traditions. For example, the London Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange are all open for business today because MLK Day is a U.S.-specific holiday. This means international investors can still trade in these markets, and global capital continues to flow. The foreign exchange market, which operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, continues trading even when U.S. stock markets are closed. Currency traders around the world are still buying and selling dollars, euros, yen, and other currencies. This global interconnectedness means that significant news or events occurring during U.S. market closures can still impact international markets, and those effects will be reflected when U.S. markets reopen tomorrow. Here are some practical tips for managing your investments during market holidays and long weekends. Set alerts. Before a long weekend, consider setting price alerts on your brokerage platform so you're notified if international markets show significant movements in stocks that might correlate with your U.S. holdings. Review open orders. Check if you have any pending orders that might need adjustment. Good till canceled orders will remain active, but you might want to review them. Stay informed. Keep an eye on financial news over the holiday. Major announcements from companies, economic data releases from other countries, or geopolitical events can all influence how markets open on Tuesday. Avoid panic. If significant news breaks over the long weekend, resist the urge to make impulsive decisions. Wait for markets to open and see how they actually react before making major portfolio changes. Use the time wisely. Long weekends provide valuable time to step back from daily market noise and focus on your long-term investment strategy and goals. So there you have it, a complete overview of the stock market closure on Martin Luther King Jr. Day, 2026. To recap, the NYSE, Nasdaq, and U.S. bond markets are all closed today in observance of this important federal holiday. Markets will resume normal operations tomorrow, Tuesday, January 20th, with the opening bell at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Use today as an opportunity to reflect, research, and prepare for the trading days ahead. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, these periodic pauses in market activity can actually be beneficial for maintaining perspective and avoiding burnout. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more market updates and investing tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss important market information. Drop a comment below letting us know how you're using this market holiday. Are you researching new investments, reviewing your portfolio, or simply taking a well-deserved break? Happy MLK Day, and happy investing. We'll see you when the markets reopen.